The Pixel 9 series just launched, but leaks about the Pixel 10 lineup are already making waves. A new report has revealed codenames for Google's next-gen flagship models, giving us a glimpse into what's coming. According to Android headlines, the standard Pixel 10 is internally named Frankel, while the Pixel X Pro goes by Blazer. The larger Pixel 10 Pro XL is called Mustang, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold is referred to as Rango. The names seem to follow a horse-related theme, possibly hinting at speed and performance, though their exact significance remains up for debate. One of the biggest takeaways from this leak is that Google appears to be sticking with the 4-device lineup introduced with the Pixel 9 series. That means the Pixel X Pro is here to stay, despite some initial uncertainty about its future. However, what's noticeably absent is a standard Pixel X XL, meaning there won't be a lower-cost, large-screen flagship option. While the Pixel 10 Pro XL is reportedly in development, it will likely be a premium device, which might disappoint users looking for a more affordable big-screen experience. In addition to the Pixel 10 lineup, the leak also reaffirms the codename for the upcoming Pixel 9a, which is internally called 2, after a type of lizard. This codename had already surfaced in previous reports, but its mention here solidifies expectations that the Pixel 9 will be Google's next smartphone release. It's widely expected to launch at Google I/O 2025 in May, continuing Google's tradition of unveiling its series models at the annual developer conference. While these leaks offer an early look at Google's flagship strategy, the Pixel 10 series itself is still months away. Based on the company's usual release cycle, it's unlikely to be officially announced before August 2025. With so much time between now and then, more leaks and rumors are sure to surface, gradually revealing more details about what Google has planned for its next generation of smartphones. So, what do you think about the upcoming Pixel X Pro? Excited or disappointed? Let me know in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.